Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are required to find the values of x and y given that 2 to power root x plus root y is equal to 512 as the first equation, and in the second equation, log to base 10 of root xy is equal to 1 plus log to base 10 of 2. We need to first of all simplify equation 1. To simplify equation 1, we have 2 to power root x plus root y is equal to 512 can be written as 2 to power 9. Now, since the bases are the same, we will take the powers. Root x plus root y is equal to 9. Let us call this equation 1 properly. Now, let us simplify equation 2. We have log to base 10 of root xy is equal to 1 can be written as log to base 10 of 10. Then plus log to base 10 of 2. Now, in logarithm, if we are given log to base any number of x plus log to base any number of y, it will be equal to log to base the same number of x times y. So I'm going to apply this law here. This is the product law of logarithm. So I have log to base 10 of root x y is equal to log to base 10 of 10 times 2, which is 20. So this log will cancel this log, remaining root xy is equal to 20. Now I'll have to square both sides. Xy, because this will cancel this, will now be 400. This becomes equation 2. Now we are going to make y the subject of the formula. That becomes 400 over x. Let's call this equation 3, because we'll need this equation 3 to find the value of y after we found the value of x. Now, let us substitute this 400 over x for y in the equation 1. So I have root x plus root 400 over x is equal to 9. We can separate this solid expression as root x plus root 400 over root x equals to 9. Of course, root 400 is 20, so root x plus 20 over root x is equal to 9. If we multiply through by root x, we are going to clear fractions. So that becomes root x times root x is x plus 20 over root x times root x will give us 20. Then 9 root x remains. We now need to square both sides of this equation. If we square here, what we have here is x squared plus, this is 40x plus 400 is equal to 81 times x. Now, x squared, let's bring this 81x to this side. X squared minus 81x plus 40 will leave us with 41x plus 400 equals to 0. Solving this quadratic equation, we now have x squared minus, this should be 25x minus 16x plus 400 is equal to 0, because minus 25 minus 16 will give me minus 41. So let me group. In the first bracket, x is common, x minus 25 remains. In the second one, minus 16 is common, remaining x minus 25 equals to 0. So x minus 25, x minus 16 is equal to 0, and therefore x equals to 25 or x equals to 16. Having found the value of x, we now need to find the value of y using equation 3. Yes. So y is equal to 400 over x. When x is 25, that means 400 over 25 will be 16. And when x is 16, y will now be 400 over 16, which is 25. The solution to this equation is x equals to 25, y equals to 16, or x equals to 16, y equals to 25. Now let us back substitute the values of 25 and 16 for y and x into the original equation, and let's see if we're going to get 512. So now 2 to power root 25 plus root 16, it is 512. Sure. Root 25 is 5 and root 16 is 4, which will give us 2 to power 9. 2 to power 9 here equals to 2 to power 9 here.